today in Europe was we went to the Gillette College for creative welding. First thing I did was I took 2 blocks. We welded it together in different positions. One's called the Mac position, one's called the T position. And what you pretty much do is you have this tool and you just, it's connected to this machine and you push the lever and it starts welding, which is melting metal. Then the next thing I did was the sand welding. And what happens is you have another tool. When you tip it over, a whole bunch of sand comes out, and you press the lever and it starts welding.
Heading into 8th grade. My favorite part about the welding was stick welding, and why I thought it was so fun was because it was easier of the few. All you had to do was you had a stick and your one piece, and then you had your grounder connecting to the metal, and you practically, it's called, but you stick the stick in the grasp, and then you weld, and you have to change the stick every time it gets low. And they call it stick welding is because it gets stuck to the metal, and when it does that, you have to pick up the whole thing, and it usually arcs, so it's pretty cool. My least favorite, I don't remember what it's called, but you had to hold a copper wire, and then you had another tool, and you just sat there and you slowly moved along. The reason I thought it was so hard was because it used both my hands, and I had to be coordinated to kind of roll this hand and drag this hand along.
I'm in 9th grade. My favorite part about this welding class was making a flower. It kind of showed how you can make different things from welding. You can use the fire to cut the flower out, and then use the, what is it called? Some type of other metal to stick them together and then fold them up with pliers. And my least favorite one was the stick technique. I didn't feel like I had much control over that one. It kind of, you have to put the stick into this thing, and then you can hold it like this where the stick is out. And with the other ones, you could hold it up close and you could have more control